Hi, I'm Chrissy Alamo, coming to you from BB3 Personal Training Center in Weston, Florida. And today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious smoothie using soy. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use organic soy milk. Secondly, I'm going to add my soy protein powder. You want to make sure you have a non-GMO soy protein, and pick a brand that is reputable and one that tastes good, like the one I have here. And I'm also going to add some strawberries, add some antioxidants to my shake. And that's how you make a delicious soy shake. Very tasty. I'm Chrissy. Thanks for watching.